What's good? What's good? Thank you for joining me on How to Notion. I am John, and today we're going to walk you through how to make a simple meal planner for your week in Notion. As you can see right here, we've got our hamburger icon, we've got our simple title, we've got a separate page called Simple Meal Plan, and we're going to jump right into it. We're going to use a table feature here, so it'll be / and then you'll select table, and then at the top, we're going to use that top row to list all the different meals that we have for the day. So I'm assuming that in this case, we'll have a breakfast, a snack, lunch, and then a dinner, and maybe plan for that late night snack. This could easily be used for kids, toddlers, even if you are someone who packed your child's lunch before they go to school, this could really help you out in sort of planning things out and having things in one specific place. So here we've got all of our different meals in the top category, and we're going to click those dots, those 6 dots on the side, and make that a header row. So we're going to click that toggle and make that a header row. Now, one thing I realized after creating this is that we're going to actually have to create another row, another column on the left, so we can have the different days of the week. So at the top, we click those 6 dots and click insert left, and that will allow us to insert another column to the left. So if you ever forget to put a column, you can always just repeat that method. So for us, we're just going to list the days of the week on that left side. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. And again, you could do this just for a couple days. You could do this for one day, a month, right? Whatever works for you. But for a month, you might want to use a little bit of a different method. But in this case, this works for us. All right. Now we've got our days on the left side, we've got our different meals on the top, and now we're just going to go through and fill out what we're going to have for each of those days in this table. All right, so we've got all of these meals filled out on the chart, and now we're just going to actually embed some recipes in this table. That's one cool thing about Notion is we're going to embed it. So when we hover over spaghetti and click link, we can link that to a page that is connected to that recipe. So what we'll do is below that chart, we are going to put in a toggle heading 1, which is the largest heading that we can toggle down and collapse. And under there, we're actually going to put some pages where we're going to house some of our recipes that we have in the chart. So we'll create a page and we'll label that page spaghetti. And for the icon, we'll just put a little spaghetti, and then we can put in our recipe right here. So instead of having to keep a bunch of bookmarks and go back through your phone and try to figure out where you put that recipe, you can keep this recipe in Notion connected to this meal plan. So now when we go to link, we can link that page, right? So when it's time to make this meal, if you're doing some meal prep, you can go over to the dinner tab, click on spaghetti, and go to your recipe. So honestly, it's really simple, but it can really help someone out. Just planning out your meals for the week and having things ready, it can save you a ton of time. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you back on more videos on How to Notion.